Hi, I'm Jared, Head of Research and Development at TNMF, and today we're going to be installing mud flaps on the 2015 Subaru STI. We'll first start with the rear mud flap. There will be 4 holes, which will need to be self-tapped into the bumper and 1 into the fender well. So first you're going to take the mud flap with the notch underneath here and line it up, and then you're going to adjust it until it's perfectly flat. It should be about 1.5 inches from the edge of this corner to the bumper. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your self-tapper screws and you're going to kind of put them in there, and they should go in fairly easy. This one already had holes already in it, but they're just as easy. You can go in any order you like, whatever you see fit. Don't over tighten them, as it may strip the whole thread. Just make sure they're snug, and you install the rear one. It's a little easier if you jack it up and take off the wheel, considering there's not much space. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to install the front mud flap. This one here, you'll need to use the factory pop clips that come on the car right here and here. So what you have to do, after you take out the pop clips, you'll use them, push them in, which will line up the holes for the self-tappers. Just take your screwdriver, tap this one in. Take the other one, and this one goes in over here. You can choose to take the wheel off if you want, otherwise you can just turn it and you'll have enough room to do all this stuff. To install the white mud flaps, you will be provided with 3 C-clips. You'll be provided with 1 short, 1 long, and 2 longs for the rear. You'll have to install these at these 3 different points. Check out the STI video of the regular mud flap installation for the hole points for this one and this one. This one will be a factory hole designed for a pop clip, but we are going to use something stronger with the metal C-clips. So to install this, after the C-clips are in, it's pretty straightforward. You'll have the pre-drilled holes. You'll be provided with 1-inch screws. And pretty much just screw them in. Go ahead and kind of leave yourself some wiggle room. The main differences between this and the regular mud flap installation video is that there are only 3 mount points and that there are C-clips involved. Once you have those started, start tightening them down. Your mud flaps on the white will not have this hole or this hole due to the original design of the other mud flaps for the STI. It may be easier for you to get these C-clips in and these spots if you remove the pop clip that's underneath right here. All you will need is a flathead screwdriver and or a body pry tool in order to do this. Both of the white mud flaps will fit on both the WRX and the STI respectively from 2015 up. Install the front mud flaps on the white. You'll have to install 3 U-nuts. One here, and one here. To get this one, it may be easier to install these 2 first. Line up the holes on the mud flap, and then use the self-tapper provided to tap the hole first. That'll give you the alignment for this. So after you have all those installed, it's pretty simple. Make sure that you put your fender liner back in, pulling it out to get those in. It may be difficult to put some of these in, but that also just ensures a much stronger hold for the U-nut. The holes on your mud flap will not be this big. This is just for installation demo purposes only. So what you do is after you got the C-clips installed, or U-nuts, as some people will call them, you go ahead and put the screws in that are provided. Make sure to carefully line everything up. And just use a screwdriver and go ahead and tighten everything down. Now you have the fronts installed for the white mud flaps. Thank you for watching our video on how to install mud flaps on a 2015 STI. Please check out our Facebook page at TNMF Mud Flaps. Also visit our website at tnmudflaps.com. Thank you again. Have a great day.